to the first ever episode of Anthony's Toy Reel. Today I'll be reviewing Mattel's WWE Elite Series 20 CM Punk. CM Punk comes with a nice WWE Championship belt decorated like a WWE Championship belt. Let's see. Let's get to the figure. This is his chest tattoo. This is his tattoos on the arms. Front and back. Same here. He comes with a white elbow pad, too. Spandex. With the white, red, white, and blue spandex. And boots. His knee pads are all black. This is his face. He has a new head scan. Awesome. And he is always ready to fight. Plus, he has a piercing right here. Remember to buy all your wrestling figures at WrestlingFigures.com. See you next time. Bye.